If you are watching this reel after Diwali and have some cough cases in clinic or respiratory troubles like asthma patients in clinic, this remedy is not to be missed. A patient came to me a few years ago after Diwali telling that at night he was bursting lot of crackers and the next morning he woke up with a lot of sore throat, lot of nasal discharge, but the nose was also stuffed up. He also had supraorbital headache, and I was holding myself to prescribe apis, arsenic, kali bichromicum. So when you find a combination of these three remedies, the remedy which is given in caption will definitely help in post Diwali coughs. It has also helped one of my patient in asthmatic troubles after Diwali where the feeling was of choking from the throat till the chest.